Let's barbecue soft shell crab. And it's called soft shell crab because the shell is soft and you can actually eat the whole thing. So you don't need to crack open the shells and take out the meat. You can just honestly take a bite out of it. Last time I cooked it by deep frying, air frying. I even made it into a curry. But this time let's try it on the grill. I don't think this is safe to eat. Okay, so I had an issue with my Japanese charcoal. It wasn't lighting properly and I didn't have enough. It's also 3 a.m. So again, I messed up there, but yeah, this doesn't look like it's something you're supposed to be eating. I think the charcoal and the fire starter just made everything black. So you know what? Let me pop this one into the air fryer because this was a fail. And I already cooked the other one in the air fryer. So let's have a munch on that in the meantime. Here is the, ooh, that's hot. Here's the one that came out of the air fryer. Nice and crispy. That's hot. Ooh. So again, you can eat the whole shell. That's good. It's so sweet. And honestly, you don't even need anything else with this. Just on its own, it's quite good. You could maybe add some salt, chili oil, lemon juice, but oh, it's so sweet. It's like crackers. Alright, so unfortunately it didn't grill, but air frying or deep frying is still the way to go.